Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. See, I have a many superhero character and today I will introduce all of the character one by one. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. Wow, look at this guys. This is a shield and shield is a very strong foe, and this is a Captain America shield. Wow, very strong foe and very nice. Super. I'm take this first one shield, medium point, and next one is this one. Look at this guys. What is this? Oh, he is a captain. He's a Captain America. Very beautiful and very nice. Captain America. Bye bye. Next one is this one. Wow, this is a very super beautiful and very smart superhero character in Avengers and very popular superhero, and his name is Spiderman. Wow, he's a very beautiful. And I have two Spiderman. Look at these guys. This one and this one. Wow. They are same and very beautiful. Spiderman. Take this Spiderman, and next one is this one. Wow. Looks. What is the name, man? My name is Thanos. Oh, you are Thanos. You are very strong villain. Yes, I am villain. Oh, you are villain and very dangerous man. I'm taking this villain Thanos.
Would have been a waste of parts.
Where's Gamora?
And next one is this one, and see, also black and white color combination. Black Panther. His name is Black Panther. He's a very strong foe also. Black Panther. Hey, Black Panther. Wow, very nice. Take this. And next one is very strong foe superhero character in Avengers. Wow, he's a very strong foe and very angry man. You are angry? Yes, I am so angry. Wow, he's a very angry also, and his name is Hulk. You are Hulk? Yes, I am Hulk. Ho ho ho.
Remember me?
And take this Hulk, and next one is this one, another superhero character in Avengers, and his name is Iron Man. Wow, so cool superhero Iron Man. We love his character. Very beautiful. You are Iron Man? Yes. Wow, look at this guys. He's Iron Man. I'm take this Iron Man. And last one is this one. Wow. Look, is a very dangerous super character in Avengers. What is the name, man? I am a Venom. Whoa, you got it. You are Venom. Yes. very nice. Also black and white color combination, very danger. Super character Venom. So thank you for watching the video. See you in the next video. So please do subscribe and hit the bell icon. Bye bye.